Leanne, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 things I absolutely love about the Eureka vacuum cleaner. So the first thing I love about this vacuum cleaner is how powerful it is. Even though it's definitely more on the smaller side, which is amazing because it doesn't take up much space, it is very powerful. So let me go ahead and show you guys just what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some breadcrumbs on the floor and show you just how powerful this vacuum cleaner is. So boom, I'm going to go ahead, turn it, take it back. Boom. Literally picked up all those breadcrumbs in one single sweep. So very powerful. Second, I love how space savvy it is. It doesn't take up much room at all. It's very compact. And once again, even though it's more compact, it is still so powerful. So it doesn't sacrifice power for size. So you can see very space savvy and easy to store. Third, I love how versatile the vacuum cleaner is. You can use it in the upright position and you can also use it handheld as well. So you simply just pull out this tube and you can attach the brush tool in it, or you can attach the crevice tool. So super cool, a lot of attachments that you can do with it. And let me go ahead and show you just how wonderful it works and handheld as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and once again, put some breadcrumbs on the floor, boom. And let's go ahead and test out the handheld feature of the vacuum cleaner. So turning it on again. So as you can see, it is powerful in both the handheld and upright position. So very versatile vacuum. So very powerful, very space savvy, and very versatile. So I definitely recommend, especially if you're looking for a vacuum cleaner that's wonderful on all surface floors.